If you are interested in learning on how to make money playing the video game called Among Us, stay tuned because today I'm going to share 3 ways that you can earn money. Hi, welcome back to Building My Economy, or welcome if this is your first time. I'm Joanna and I share opportunities to make money online, such as affiliate marketing, freelance, side hustles, and online jobs. So if you are interested in any of these topics, go ahead and subscribe and then also hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And before we dive into this video, if you have not checked out the gift card giveaway details, you still have the opportunity to enter into the contest. I will be announcing the winners on the 18th. So if you have not checked out the details, go ahead and check out the description below this video. The details will be in there. And if you are interested in start building a passive income stream online to where you can eventually stop trading your time for money all the time, go ahead and check out the first link below this video. I will be sharing more details in regards to what I'm personally doing there with you. So go ahead and check that out. Now we're going to dive into this video and we're going to talk about how to make money playing Among Us. I know that this video game has become super popular. I decided to take a look into it and research the different ways that you can make money by playing this video game. If you have not watched my other 2 videos, I'm gonna go ahead and link them up here in the card, so just go ahead and click the card option and you're gonna be able to see both of the videos that I recorded talking about it. The first part is making money with AdSense, creating a YouTube channel and stuff. And like I said, if you have not watched that video, I'm not gonna go too much in detail because that will make this video way too long. And also the second way that you can make money with this video game is creating merch. Okay, and I did go into in-depth details and showing you different examples and stuff like that. So if you're interested, go ahead and watch part 2. And this is part 3. Part 3 is adding affiliate links or affiliate products to your video and the description of your video. That is part 3. I'm actually gonna go ahead and do another part, which is part 4, and I'm gonna show you all the different ways that you can promote or market your content, just so that you can bring people to watch your content and then from there create some sales. Okay, so affiliate links is the third way you can make money playing Among Us. You can become an affiliate for Amazon is then I think it's the one place that a lot of people are an affiliate for. You can even become an affiliate for Walmart, Target. Another top site that you can become an affiliate for would be JVZoo, ClickBank, and stuff like that. I actually recorded a video talking about the top 6 or 7 websites to become an affiliate for. I'm gonna go ahead and leave that video link up here in the cards if you're interested in taking a look at it. But if you become an affiliate for Amazon, let's say for instance, you can promote different products. It doesn't even have to do anything with Among Us. Like, you can literally go and promote something that has nothing to do with that video game, but still being able to create some sort of income that way. And I'm going to show you examples of channels that are currently doing this, and they are doing really well. And like I said, you can promote different products in the description of your videos or in between your videos. For instance, at the beginning, maybe 2 minutes after the beginning of your video, and maybe in the middle of your video or at the end of your video. I'm going to go ahead and show you some examples. So we're just going to go ahead and dive right into the examples. I actually found 4 videos that I want to show you an example of how people are using popular topics such as Among Us to promote and to create an income other than just Google AdSense. Okay, so for instance, this is actually the example that I show on my first video. Let me see, this is on this video, this is actually just TikTok mashups. These were songs that were trending in 2020, and they just created a mashup. It's just a compilation of all the trending sounds, and as you can see, it's nothing fancy. It's just a title to the song, and they did that, And at the end of the video, they just included this short clip promoting this Moonlight, and at the end right here, you can see it says shop now, and that link is right here. That's an affiliate link right there. It says Peaceful Night Moon Lamp 50% off for a limited time. There you go. So that's one way, that's one example of how you can use affiliate links to promote different products. Like this Moonlight has nothing to do with the video, but they still leverage the video and promoted a product. Okay, and then another one that I wanted to show, this one is just a longer video. This one is trending TikTok songs as well. Now I know this has nothing to do with Among Us, but I just want you to stick with me and understand the idea. Like in a little bit, I'm gonna get into the Among Us videos and you can see what I'm talking about, but I'm just sharing you just so that you can grab onto this idea and you can use this concept with anything. I mean, it doesn't have to be this specific video game, it can be anything else that it's trending. And because right now TikTok is a really trending app, that's why I wanted to share these two examples for you. Okay, so for instance, this one, it's a pretty long video and it's just a playlist of the songs that are popular. But if we scroll down, you're gonna be able to see right here, it says shop, and they do have a shop right here that you can go into and shop their merch. Okay, so that's another example of how you can use, either you can promote your own shop. On part 2, like I said, if you have not watched part 2, I talked about creating merch and your own products for free, and you don't have to invest any money, and that way you can promote it and start creating some income. And we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the third option. This is actually okay, so this one is basically, look at this video. This is just like they share different, it says the 300 IQ imposter strategy. It's just like a strategy that they share. They create like memes and stuff like that in between, and you know, they just make it entertaining for people. And if you look down here, you can see right off the bat they do show a shop right here that you can go and shop their merch. If you're interested, you can go where it says shop right now, and you can go and shop the merch that they have available. And then another example that I have right here is the same, is promoting a merch. For instance, this video, this is Ultimate Among Us TikTok compilation. This is just a compilation of the popular TikToks that have to do with Among Us. And if we go just a little bit like towards the middle of the video, and it's not really like the middle, it's more like the beginning, you can see they have images of merch that they have available, and it says link in the description. So let's say for instance you're watching this video and then all of a sudden you start seeing these different products and it says link in the description. If you like something from here, you're obviously gonna go in the description and you're gonna click on their link, and you're gonna go shop what they are promoting. So that is an example number 4 that I wanted to share with you. These are so many different ways that you can promote products. Either you can be an affiliate for a product, or you can be promoting your own merch. But there's definitely a way for you to create an income doing this. And this is part 3 to the series that I'm doing. Like I said, next week I will come back with part 4. It's just giving you different tips and tricks that you can use, and showing you different TikTok, how you can use TikTok to promote your YouTube channel, to bring in more traffic, more people watching your videos, and obviously creating traffic and sales for the products that you're promoting and stuff, and creating passive income streams that way. So if you are interested in learning how to create multiple income streams online to where you can eventually stop trading your time for money, go ahead and check out the first link below this video. This is what I'm personally doing, and I will be sharing more details in regards to it there with you. I'm also gonna go ahead and leave in the end screen my last 2 videos in regards to this series of how to make money playing the video game Among Us. So if you're interested, go ahead and check those out. That is all that I have for today. Thank you so much for your time. Stay safe, and until next time.